everyone, this is Izzy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to paint this quick and easy pirate design. These are the supplies I'll be working with. If you'd like to know the exact brands and where to purchase them, I've included the links in the description box below. Let's get started. To create the stubble or the beard, I like to use a stipple sponge. This sponge is more porous than a regular one and is great for adding texture. Load it the same way you would a regular sponge. The stubble is always a big hit whenever I paint this design. To create the bandana, I sometimes use 2 dots as guides to help me with the placement of the strokes, but this is completely optional. Depending on how much space you have, you can create the bandana with about 2 to 4 strokes. Place each stroke slightly higher than the previous one, and curve the strokes to give the illusion of the bandana. For the knot, paint a circle by twisting your brush. You want to place it near the person's temple. Then, create 2 wavy strokes for the ends of the bandana, one slightly higher than the other. You can always go back in and redo your strokes. Use the tip of your brush to create the scar and the stitches. For the eye patch, I like to use a Filbert brush as it makes it quicker to fill in any area. I also prefer to use a brush instead of a sponge as it gives me more control. A small Filbert brush also lets you create thin lines. Outline the bandana in black if you would like. I also add black to the scar to make it look more realistic. If I'm painting this design on a child, I always ask them if they would like a mustache. I don't know if this has ever happened to any of you, but I've had kids who get a little self-conscious about wearing one. If you have the time, you can also add some white highlights. Add a skull and you're done. I love using finger dabbers as they are great for stenciling smaller designs. This is another quick and easy design you can do at large events. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please do let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching!